I am Alam now Yetnet. Today we will see how to find transpose of a matrix using Excel. When you say transpose of a matrix, it is simply uh, changing the position of the matrix elements, that is making row elements to column elements or column elements to row elements. Then let us see how to find transpose of a matrix using Excel. For the sake of simple understanding, let us take one matrix, say matrix A with elements of 5, 5, say 2, -4, 6, -3, 7, 1, 2, and 4. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, in order to find the transpose of this given matrix within few minutes, first let us select another cells which are the same dimension with the given matrix. That means the given matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, we have to select another answer place cells with 3 by 3 dimension. Then second step, type equals n. Then next type T transpose. T transpose. Transpose. That is transpose. Then specify the cell ranges. That means click here the first element 5. Then the last element and close the bracket. Then after this, simultaneously on the computer keyboard, Control plus Shift, then Enter. This the transpose for the given matrix within few minutes using Excel. Thank you.